Well, the summit is very exciting and interesting because it addresses a lot of the manufacturing challenges that we are seeing today in our industry.
What I like about this particular event, the Marcus Evans event, is the mix, of different industries. Because sometimes we're too siloed and we think that our industry is all we need to know. But for me, when I come to this one, I'm typically listening to the different speakers and I go to the different call-out sessions because I feel I'm learning.
I think I liked the most that there was such a variety of solution providers that we had never heard of before, so that was new and interesting.
I thought it was great interaction with a lot of people of senior leadership of different companies, and the one-on-one sessions were great.